National President juga sang NPP kuana sangma ulang baka Jingïarung no jeki angot ki Ïamih juga NPP kata ka Felin sangma bat ubedik marak na kasang kam kata EU na ni kasang dari uang baka ni ka jujahi ke Elekshon ha ka baki Ïamih ki rengkang ding pen ko parti ko parti mana kalian juga sang NPP kenya Beit ialah ka kam bagai di bentrai.
BJP. What is the reason? Is it that they have denied tickets or?
No, I think that's that you have to ask them why they resigned. But it's okay. It happens in politics. It happens in many parties. It happens to many MLAs, and they have taken their decision. So I have nothing to say about it. I wish them the very best, and and they can contest in any political party that they wish. And as per my party, then we'll move forward in whatever way necessary, and we'll prepare for the elections.
Belakali ko paki kam jika parti ko na sama cimete bajuba na morong komiti dang ba tra makran di kam jika parti haga kabinet.
I'll speak, and then but tomorrow somebody will make this an issue and say
CM
CM is mentioning. Yeah, I know, but I thought it would be a political issue. But you're talking party and elections now, so I don't know whether it's proper for me to speak as NPP president in the cabinet room as chief minister.